Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook long-grain white rice. To begin, understanding the correct water-to-rice ratio is crucial for achieving perfectly fluffy grains. For every 1 cup of long-grain white rice, you will need exactly 2 cups of water. This precise measurement is key to ensuring your rice absorbs all the liquid, resulting in separate, tender grains rather than a sticky, clumpy mess. It's the foundational step for success. Next, proper preparation involves rinsing your rice. Place your measured rice in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it thoroughly under cold running water. This step is vital because it washes away excess surface starch, which is a common culprit for sticky rice. Continue rinsing for approximately 1 minute or until the water draining from the sieve runs completely clear. This simple action makes a significant difference in the final texture. Now, let's cook. Combine your rinsed rice and the measured water in a heavy-bottomed pot with a tight-fitting lid. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling vigorously, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly and let the rice simmer undisturbed for precisely 18 minutes. It's crucial not to lift the lid during this time, as it releases essential steam. Finally, for the perfect finish, once the 18 minutes of simmering are complete, remove the pot from the heat source. Keep the lid on and allow the rice to rest for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to redistribute, ensuring every grain is perfectly cooked and fluffy. After resting, gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving. Enjoy your perfectly cooked long-grain white rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.